to get this cheap code, you're going to be dialing star 312 hash. And then you click on one data plans. So here you're going to click dialing 99, which is next. Okay, 99 next. Here we're going with number 13, which is always on. Okay, so you dial 13 and then you send. So always on bundle number one, here you're using 5,500 naira to get 18.6 gigabytes, and it's going to be valid for 30 days. But for the sake of this video today, we're using number 2, okay, which is 9,000 naira for 45 gigabytes, and it's going to be valid for 30 days. I'll advise you go with number 2, which is 45 gig for 9,000 naira, and it's going to be valid for a month. So now let's do a quick calculation to know how much you're going to be spending, okay, to get 1 gig. So 9,000 divided by 45 will give us 200 naira. That means you're getting 1 gig for 200 naira, and then when you're getting the 45 gig in total, you're going to be using 9,000 naira, but 1 gig is 200 naira. Okay, so the only downside of it is that MTN is going to be giving you the 45 gig at a time. So if you're doing it for 30 days, let's divide 45 divide by 30. So you're going to be getting 1.5 gig daily. So every day you're going to be getting 1.5 gig. So that's the only downside of this particular always on. When you are doing always on, you're not going to be getting 45 gig at a time. You're going to be getting 1.5 gig daily because you are doing it for 30 days. So that is it for this particular number 2 always on bundle. So you can see it's very, very cheap. So I advise you go with it. All right, this is a very good code. This is a very good cheap data for you to use. All right, so if this video was helpful to you, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and comment, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.